This is Bella with her
Sorry, I can't be serious.
with her Elvis hairstyle doing her jig. You do your thing, girl.
No.
You want me to play or do you want to play? Fuck you, Bella. Don't. Okay, don't break. How do you want me to film and play the violin?
It's okay, Melly. We'll put it in a good place.
Oh man, don't put the camera on me though. You can just hear the music.
It's probably gonna fall, you know. The camera can't see me. Thank you, Melly, that's enough. Let's see that. By the way, that's Melly.
Sorry, turn it off.
I know.
Right there.